Hey guys, so today I'm going to take out my GTX 1080 Ti Founders. When I got it for a little bit cheaper because it was overheating. So I replaced the thermal paste on it and it cooled right down. But I noticed it looks like it's getting a little hot here, and I never ever replaced the thermal pads. So I ordered a couple thermal pads off Amazon. So I'll do a quick time lapse and take this thing apart, repaste it with the new pads on, and see how it runs from there. Alright guys, so I got it all put back together. I'm not sure if these are the factory thermal pads that come in it. Maybe you guys can let me know. Because from what I see online, they're all individual. But I tried to make mine as close as I could to what was on here. So it looks like I got all the pads contacting properly. When I had this running, I just did some heat tests on it, and I noticed that the hottest spots were right around here and here. So just as a test, I had this spare little kind of like a cooler or whatever. So I drilled another hole, and I'm gonna put some a thermal pad across here, because this is actually aluminum right here, and this is aluminum. And then I'm just gonna use the factory screw and put an extra little cooler attached to the aluminum here, because that's where it's hottest, and my fan blows across it. So, and then if I ever want, I can just pull it off and put the screw back in, and you won't even tell it was ever there. So I don't know if that'll help, but I just set this here before and it was getting warm, so obviously the heat's transferring. So I'll put this on, and then we'll put it down and downstairs on the other rig and see how it works. Alright guys, so I didn't end up screwing this to it. I just put some thermal pad and just placed it on top of the aluminum, and it's already warm, so it's definitely working. We're running about 62, 63 degrees on the 1080 Ti, so now it's sitting at 58. I just have memory tweak 1 on right now. So the Ravencoin halving's coming up on the 11th, so I've just switched over all my GPUs on unmineable to Ravencoin, just so I don't have to change my overclock settings on all my cards. So I have these cards going, the 1070, 1080, 1080 Ti. Upstairs I have the 3060 and a 1660 Super and a 1070 Ti, and they're all on Ravencoin right now. So I had about 6,008. I think I've mined about 200 now, so I'll just keep going until the price starts going up, or maybe just does nothing. We'll see. So I'll talk to you guys later. See you guys next time.